Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the trending box by Beauty Bay. According to Beauty Bay, this box is worth £198, but you can currently get it for £45, which I think is a great steal. Here's a look at the contents as I've taken all the paper out. Starting off, we have a fragrance, which is the 62 scent by Sol de Janeiro. This is a 30ml. I love this scent, and I'm glad that it's in here. I also have a full size of this, so I might just top that up and pour this in. But I'm happy that's in here. This box also contains a brow brush, which comes with a spoolie and an angled end. I go through so many of these, as you can tell by my own eyebrows, because I use a pomade. So I'm always happy to have a spare one on hand. This is by Spectrum, and I believe it's a green packaging. Like all good edit boxes, we have the famous conditioner by Philip Kingsley, the Elasticizer Extreme. This is 75ml, so it's not a full size. I love this, and I'm always happy when it's in a box, but it is becoming quite popular in boxes now. So if you like this, there's one in here also. If you're into fake tan, we do have a tan remover in here, which is by Rose and Caramel. Purity XL 60-second tan remover. It's a tub. I've never heard of this before, never seen it before, but I think it's just, I apologize if you have headphones, but it's just like a normal exfoliator. It does smell really, really nice. It has a very clean scent. So I will be going on Instagram and reviewing this. This box has some skincare, and firstly I'd like to talk about a product that I am quite intrigued about, which is a cleansing antibacterial water. I've never tried one of these, but this looks very handy, especially if you're into hiking like I am, or camping. I would love to take this traveling with me. I never heard of this brand before. I believe it's Kanzen. I could be wrong. This is 125ml, so I'm assuming that's a full size. It says it's vegan, made in England. I'm not sure if it's cruelty free, but I assume it is. So I'm happy to have this and try it out. Another product that I am intrigued about is the Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm Eye. It's that famous one of, everyone saw the video of the woman put on an eye and then she was really young looking. But I've been really intrigued about this. Obviously I don't have eye bags, but I am really intrigued, and I might even share this around to see if it helps other people, because I want to know how powerful it really is, and if that video was true or edited. So that's a mini. Another interesting product is by Dermalogica. It is the Brightening Rice-Based Powder Exfoliant. Again, I've never tried this, but I've seen this around, and I'm intrigued to try it because it's a powder form. So I will be testing this out very, very soon, because I have no idea how this works, and I hope it's as good as people are making out. This is 13 grams, so I'm assuming that's full size. We also have a moisturizer by the Inkey List. It is Bioactive Ceramide Repairing and Plumping Moisturizer. This is 50ml, so a full size. I've never seen this one. I know the Inkey List, but I've never tried this one. I imagine this is going to be quite good, and it says you can use it day and night. I just smelt it. It has no scent. There's no fragrance to it. So if you are looking for an unfragranced moisturizer, this could be for you. And it's for all skin types. A product that I have wanted to try since forever is the Lash Serum by Glow For It, which is in here. It's 3ml. I'm not sure if that's the full size. They may do a bigger size, I'm not sure. This is the product, and this is the box. I've heard a lot of people raving about this, saying it really does help grow their lashes out, and I would like to even mine out. This one tends to be nicer than this one. I don't know what this one's doing, but this one's living her best life. This one's kind of like the ugly sister. But this is in here, and I will be reviewing this possibly from tonight because I'm so excited that it's in here. Speaking of eyelashes, we do have a mascara by Beauty Bay. It is the High Key mascara, the mini size. I'm currently using one of these now, the full size, and I'm enjoying it. The only thing I don't like about this is that it can flake a little bit, and it's not waterproof, so if you are walking around on a windy day, it can kind of smudge under the eye very slightly, but it's nothing too serious. But there is a mini in here that I will probably race through, so happy to have that. Again, staying with eyes, we also have a eye palette, which is the Smoky palette by Beauty Bay, the smaller size. It is, without blinding you, I believe this one here is a shimmer. You can't really tell, it's not much of a shimmer, but they do mostly feel matte. This is right up my alley if you couldn't tell. But I'm happy to try this. I wanted to get this anyway, but I have so many black eyeshadows, as you could imagine, that I didn't get it. But I am happy to have a smaller size to play with. This box also comes with a setting spray, which is a mini of the Urban Decay All Nighter. And I've mentioned before many times, this is not my favourite setting spray, but I'll always use it if it's in a box. This is, I believe it's 15ml. The writing is tiny on here. Yes, it's 15ml. So I have one of these right now that I'm almost through, but I guess I'm going through another one. If you like this, it's in here. Next, we have a lip gloss by Revolution, which is the Shimmer Bomb in Glimmer Nude. I believe there are 2 shades that you could possibly get with this. I think I saw that online, but I got Glimmer Nude, which is kind of like a pinky peach with blue glitter going through it. I'm hoping you can see that without being blinded by the window. This looks quite glittery, more glittery than I thought, but I am looking forward to trying it. It's 4.5ml, so it's a full size. But yeah, that's in here if you like their glosses. I believe this could be a dupe for Fenty, going by the Shimmer Bomb. But yeah, can't wait to try it. We have 2 products made by Mitchell, which is the Shine Slime Mermaid Scales highlighter and one of the blushes. I haven't opened this one because I might give it away, I'm not sure. I had one of these before and I didn't get on with it. It seemed to lift all of the foundation I was wearing and I could never make it work no matter what I did. So I might give this away, I might try it again. I'm not quite sure yet. This one is in Sweet Cheeks, which I believe is a pink shade, and it is 6ml, which I think is a full size, but that is the blush that comes. And for the Slime Shine, which is 100ml, so definitely full size, it is an absolutely beautiful concoction, definitely mermaidy. I believe this is a body highlighter, yes, body gel highlighter. It comes with a pump. I've heard Huda was raving about this, so we'll find out. But I'm really interested in using this in the summertime. Maybe I can try it now. That's how it's looking when it comes out. It's definitely glittery. I'm not flipping you off. It's very sticky. I'm hoping that dries down. Yeah, but that's it blended out. It definitely has a blue sheen. but I'm quite looking forward to having that on my shoulders in the summertime. Maybe over fake tan that I will be removing. But yeah, that's the glorious shimmer. And lastly, we do have a headband, which is by Brushworks. I know everyone's loving these right now. I'll be honest with you, this seems way too big for my head. It says one size fits most. I have a very small head, but if I was to wear it, you can see the gap. It's quite large on my head. I'm hoping once I take this off, it might fit. But I do look kind of silly with this on. But that is in here if you've wanted one of these. If it doesn't fit, I'll definitely pass it on. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see more, consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up. And I'd like to see you in my next video. Bye!